pick up this lady I get her lift, right? So she a Christian. We could have seen pan her too. She look holy. Anyway, so me did with her now and nah like me change her one gear in the car and my hand touch her leg still, you see me? When my hand touch her leg it feel good so I smile and look pan her. I'm all here do man say Matthew 7 verse 7. You know me take my hand off her same time. And when me read through me look where it look and read and it say ask and it shall be given. If I did ever know.
When we can't eat our mango at Jamaica, we use wash face. Wash head too. Wash head too. Everywhere with mango to a mango enough out there. We can't hungry. We use mango do everything out there. We can't hungry. Could they? Huh? Mango do that.
Tell the people them say, I want the fish so big until the tail hang off out of it. The people they make sure say tail hang off out of it. But look on the fish. The fish